So, you've been meaning to try yoga all year. Does that sound familiar to anybody? It's something that I come across every single day now. I've always wanted to try yoga, but I've just not managed to find the time. So don't fret, guys. I know it's almost the end of 2018. I actually can't even believe that I'm saying that, but what I've done is I've put together a really cool 30-day yoga challenge for you guys, for anybody that you know who would like to get involved and basically end 2018 on a high. Yoga is the best thing ever for your health. It's going to help you to eat better, sleep better. It's going to help with your posture, your alignment, any aches and pains that you may have, and it is guaranteed to make sure that you start 2019 on a really, really good footing. So if you'd like to get involved, all you need to do, it's dead simple, is make sure that you follow me on social media. I'm going to be posting a new video and a new pose and an explanation of it every single day. If you'd like to take part in the challenge, as I say, share it with your friends. It's open to anyone. And if you'd like to be one of my 3 winners who are going to be winning almost £200 worth of my amazing aloe vera products, all you guys need to do is get involved with me every single day. Keep in touch, let me know how you're getting on. Of course, sending over any questions that you may have, and making sure that you are using my hashtag NatsYogaChallenge. So I shall see you tomorrow.